In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free gift with purchase on Shopify. This feature is a great way to boost your sales and make your customers feel appreciated by offering them a little something extra. Let's walk through the process together so you can easily set it up in your Shopify store. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify admin. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the navigation panel. Once you're there, locate and click on Discounts. This tab is your central hub for managing all kinds of promotional offers, so it's a good idea to get familiar with it. After opening the Discounts page, your next step is to create a new discount. You'll find the Create Discount button in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will allow you to start setting up new promotional deals, including the free gift with purchase that we're focusing on today. From the list of discount types, select Buy X, Get Y. This option is specifically designed for offers where you want to encourage customers to purchase specific items and in return, receive a different item for free. It's a powerful tool for both cross-selling and increasing customer satisfaction. Once you've selected the Buy X, Get Y type, decide on the automatic method for applying this discount. Here, you'll enter the code that will trigger the promo. Keep in mind that while this step is simple, choosing the right code is crucial. You want something memorable yet unique, ensuring that it won't be easily guessed or misused. Moving on, it's time to dive into the details of your promotion. This is where you'll define what qualifies as the purchase. This is essentially the X in Buy X. Decide which products or collections need to be bought for the offer to apply. Then, specify the gift item, which represents the Y in Buy X, Get Y. Additionally, fill out all other relevant details, such as eligibility criteria and the active dates for the promo. This step really lets you tailor the discount to fit your business goals and customer base, so take your time to set everything up just right. After you've input all the necessary details and feel happy with the setup, go ahead and click Save. This final step will activate your new discount. You should now see it listed among your existing active discounts. And there you go. That's all it takes. You've successfully set up a free gift with purchase offer on Shopify. This thoughtful and strategic discount not only delights customers, but also helps in driving sales and clearing inventory, ultimately supporting your business growth. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!